hate it when women record you. Motherfucker, this was you. My shit sound like a fucking Amtrak. I said, that's me? I started putting out hostage tape. Does that work? Does that shit work?
This shit on your mouth? You gotta put her mouth.
You use it too, bro? No. Okay. What's that? Tape? Yeah, the hostage tape? It works. I don't know how this became a sleep study with the nurse. I don't know, but motherfuckers are all over the place. He was like, yeah, I use it. He was like, I use tape. Scotch. No, not scotch tape, bro.